Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 19 June 2018, 11:01 and 20 second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can you upgrade the hard drive on Xbox One? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can you upgrade the hard drive on Xbox One. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can you upgrade the hard drive on Xbox One. While users do not have the ability to upgrade the internal storage of their Xbox One consoles, the device is compatible with a myriad of external hard drives. In some cases, this can help cut down on loading times as the USB 3.0 connection is able to transmit data at a faster rate than the internal HD. Last update November 4, 2016. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.